Everyone, this is Noah Diffenbaugh at Stanford University, and I'm really excited to be here for this Hangouts on Air to discuss the severe weather that's been happening in the United States this week.
I'm Andrew Freedman. I'm a senior science writer with Climate Central.
I'm Doug Stetson. I'm a physician.
My name is Carlos Ochoa. I'm the director of the Office for Campus Sustainability here at the University of Arkansas.
I am Som Datta, and I'm a graduate student at University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign.
Stuart's back in. So Stuart, can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
I'm pretty sure you can hear me this time, right?
Yes.
I'm just very interested in and I'm not disputing, by the way, but I'm interested in the kind of statement that we know robustly that these kinds of events are more common and are consistent with global warming.
Well, I don't know if you've already addressed the wildfires in Colorado, and maybe it's linked to the climate change.
For the Western U.S., actually, this is these factors, these climate factors contributing to wildfire have really received some of the most rigorous attention in terms of what we call detection and attribution research, and I can explain those words if you want.
By you guys, not by the popular media.
Sure. Yeah. I can only speak for myself and my, as a scientist. The popular media is another question entirely.
There are two links that my reporting focused on in terms of something other than just how did this virus start. Looking at the snowpack from this past winter was extremely low, very thin snowpack, and it melted much earlier than average. The meltdown date, I think, was something like a month earlier than average. And now 100% of Colorado is currently in severe drought conditions or worse.
So if someone has, 4 home runs in the first week of the baseball season, there aren't many people that would just interpolate out over 162 games and say, wow, they're on pace for 120 home runs. Let's go bet on that. And so it's kind of the same with the hurricane season that, early in the season, if you happen to have some early storms, there might be some physical reasons for that, but there also might be some statistical chance contributing to that.
Who is taking this climate information and turning it into consequences that require public policy?
A lot of what was mentioned in the question and comments was about climate adaptation. If we're committed to some climate change, then what are we going to do about it? And there are policies in the U.S. and outside the U.S., but certainly around the U.S. that are aimed very clearly at climate adaptation.
Couldn't New York City serve as a world example of here's how you plan for something, here's how you mitigate something? I mean, I don't know. It's
well, actually,
I thought so.
Yeah, I mean, there's two things. One, at the federal level, the government is trying to organize through, to come up with a climate adaptation framework and task force and all sorts of stuff that just happens more slowly than it does on the local level. But there's also all sorts of city initiatives where mayors have gotten together.
That's very interesting. What I think you've just said, or what I've understood, is that the market, the mysterious market, whatever that thing is, will probably do a good job of adapting.
I'm not arguing that the market will do a good job of adapting. I have no judgment about whether the market will do a good job or a bad job, but it has the ability, right? People have the ability to say, I'm going to make this decision based on this information. I want to make sure we let everybody go here. I don't want to hold anyone hostage.
Tom's got a question for you.
Yeah,
yes, fire away.
I'm from India, but I'm a student here. So in India, we are also seeing in the media reports about drought setting in, the monsoon being late and stuff like that. And people were discussing, even you are seeing during this season in United States too, you are having this thing. So is it a global thing which we are seeing this year, that there is a drought kind of situation?
I tend to be conservative in my evaluation. Again, the null hypothesis is that it's happening by chance, and then there's a very large burden of proof to prove that that it's not from random chance. Until next time, thanks a lot, and have a great day, and we'll see you soon.